guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to show you guys how to make hand sanitizer and then also disinfecting wipes. So basically you just need aloe vera gel. There's like a different ones in pharmacy. They have a thicker consistency. I wanted that one, but this is the only one that I could get my hands on, and I got two just to, like, you know, have a bunch. And then we bought this containers to put the hand sanitizer. I think they were like 97 cents. And then some essential oils. And this part is just like, this is not necessary, but like it does help. So basically, you just need alcohol. We got the 91% alcohol, and then, okay, so basically you put 2/3 cups of alcohol in there. And then you want to put 1/3 of a cup of the aloe vera gel. It's a little bit more than 1/3 of a cup, but it's fine. This is the moisturizing agent. So this one, as you can see, is a little bit more watery than the ones they have at the pharmacy, but it said it was like more natural as well. So you put it in there. And I decided to put some essential oils. Like tea tree is really good for cleansing and purifying and renewing. So I'm gonna put a couple drops of that. I'm gonna say like 5 to 10 drops. There. And then I really like the smell of lavender, so I'm gonna put some lavender drops in there. And the last one I put was rosemary. So then, after it's all done, you just mix it in. I noticed that mine started getting this, like, the little aloe kind of thingies, but those are fine. That's just the aloe. So this is a more liquidy form. This is what mine looks like. What you see floating right there is just the aloe. And then, okay, so a couple and to disinfect, and that's it. Okay, so for the disinfecting wipes, it's very easy. All you have to do is just get either paper towels and then just rip them like this by one. You can either cut them in half or just use the whole paper towel like this. That's what I did because it was easier. And basically you just soak it in the same solution. I had one extra that I don't need, so basically I just pour it in there and let it soak up. And then this is what it looks like once they're done. I have about 50 sheets right here, and they're pretty soaked. And basically you can use this as like to wipe your countertops or anything you need. Like I'm using them as to wipe my hands down and to wipe my baby's toys or to disinfect anything that I need. You can do this method and just put it in a bag and label it, you know, sanitizing wipes or hand sanitizer wipes. Or you can, if you have an extra set of diaper wipes that you don't need, I need this one, so I'm not gonna use them. But you basically just add alcohol to this, and those are your sanitizing wipes. Because the wipes already have like ingredients to clean. So basically you would just need the disinfecting agent. So just add, you know, alcohol to your baby wipes. And that's it, guys. I just wanted to help you guys out because I know that they're running out of baby wipes. I know they're running out of disinfecting wipes and hand sanitizers. So yeah, I hope you guys give it a try. I hope you guys like and share this video. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.